Healy is new, Healy is revolutionary, and Healy is extremely versatile. Healy is the first medical wearable controlled by your smartphone. You can treat yourself easily at home, on the go, in your leisure time or at your job. Health, fitness, beauty or mind, this small device shall give you support in all important areas of life. Healy first of all analyzes the frequencies that you need at every specific moment, and next transmits smallest currents and specific frequencies via different electrodes onto you. You use Healy for the treatment of headaches, migraine or periodic pain, or use it for back, knee, sciatic or muscle pain. Healy also contains the right programs for many other applications like learning disabilities, concentration or anxiety disorders. Even burnout, stress, insomnia, nicotine addiction or depression can be treated with this smart wearable. The Healy Beauty programs shall give you support with skin problems, wrinkles or scars. Another goal is a good hormonal balance. In sports and fitness, Healy is meant to help you with your weight, muscles, power and regeneration. Healy means modern medical technology made in Germany. Combine those programs on your smartphone that you specifically need, or get a customized personal program by one of our experienced therapists through our medical cloud. Health, to our understanding, starts with a good balance in all areas of life. This is what Healy stands for. If you want further information, visit us at www.healy.com. We wish you all the best and always good health. Healy, for me and for you and for everyone.